Hello, this is Jason Matthews. I'm a retired law enforcement officer, and last week I asked you to watch this video and comment down below and tell me what you believe the officer in this video did wrong. And in this video, we're going to watch it together, and I'm going to tell you and reveal to you what I believe in my decades in law enforcement, what I believe this officer did wrong. But before we get started, if you support the police, click the like button. And if you do not support the police, click the dislike button. It's anonymous, and I'm just curious of where you stand. There's a lot of division out there, and so I'm just curious on your opinion. Let's get started.
What's up, man? Stop. Stop right there. Oh, it's 14.5, I think. With the mic on the bike. He's fleeing.
Seriously, what the fuck, dude? Seriously, fuck, what the fuck, man? I didn't fucking do nothing. Why'd you do that? What the fuck?
Put your hands behind your fucking back.
Stop me, huh? I didn't fucking do anything.
Hands behind your back.
Get on. You just fucking hit me with the paw, bro.
What'd you throw right there?
I didn't do anything.
Right here is where the problem begins, in my opinion, in my decades of experience in law enforcement. Now, I intentionally threw you off a little bit as I used the thumbnail to insinuate that the possible problem could be with the force used by the officer. However, upon reviewing the video and the details that are given about the video in the original video, which I will link down in the description box so you can go watch it for yourself, it appears to me that the force was appropriate based on the circumstances and the details given. That's not the problem. The problem here is the officer starts questioning the suspect about the case without reading Miranda rights. So I've revealed in prior videos that there are limited questions an officer can ask you without reading your rights. For example, identifying questions like your name, your date of birth. Those type of questions can be asked without reading someone their Miranda rights. However, when an officer starts asking questions of an individual about the case itself and the details about the case, that's when it becomes legally required for an officer to read a suspect their Miranda rights. And I've also talked about in the past how, according to case law, you do not have to read someone their Miranda rights unless they're being questioned. So if I go and arrest someone and I don't ask them any questions other than identifying questions, I do not have to read them their Miranda rights. Now, this may vary by local jurisdiction, but from federal case law point of view, unless you're asking questions, you do not have to read them their Miranda rights. But in this case, it's the opposite. The suspect is being questioned about the details of what happened in the case, and they haven't been read their Miranda rights. At least that's what it appears like. But again, as I said, body camera footage is not perfect. So congratulations if you were correct in saying that he was being asked questions and was not read his Miranda rights. Enjoy the rest of the video and see you next week.
The fuck, dude? Huh? 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 I need to get my fucking leg, bro.
Sit still.
I can't.
What'd you throw?
I didn't throw
You
anything.
didn't throw something right there?
No, man.
Yeah, you did.
The fuck? I mean, why the fuck do you
Get
stop
up.
anyway?
Get up.
No, I just stopped me. I
I
ain't doing
stopped you
nothing.
because you were laying on the ground
I
over
wasn't
there.
laying on the ground,
Okay,
bro.
get up.
I literally picked my backpack up. Like, what the fuck, dude?
Spread your feet.
Fuck, man. Seriously, bro.
Where are you
Why?
coming from?
I'm going to my house, bro.
Where are you coming from?
I was at a friend's house, man.
Where's that?
Down in the W section.
Wood Hollow?
Maybe. They're all freaking out over there, bro. I didn't fucking do nothing wrong, bro. I wasn't laying on the ground.
Okay.
Fucking crazy, bro. He just fucking hit me with the car, bro. That's fucking insane. I have to put my foot down, dude. I'm not trying to be a dick. I'm not trying to run. Like, I just want to fucking go home, man. Like, what the fuck? Mike. McDermott, man. He just fucking hit me with the car, man.
I asked you to stop. You
I
told me.
know, but I don't have to stop.
Where'd
I didn't do
the
nothing
handgun?